Naki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramangi, Hakerdob Ying Jongpi.
U MLA Jongga National People's Party na rilom Garo u rakam e sangma u balong ru menteri ke sorkar jela ha ka khatsan tarik u risau arjar psau u lakam ba u layos ngau na ki khubor hamsaya bakin sadon ki Nongïalam ka Trinamool Congress bad na ka Indian National Congress ki mansalit Ïasoh bad ka Voice of the People Party kapalas dang ban penyar tanat dang hagini ki khendiat singi sya rilom Garo ha ka jekran bakilat pathai khubor Urakam ulaong balada ka Voice of the People Party katribha wat ka National People's Party ru kan samat ya ka jingsa tinju harilum Garo.
Every political party is designed with a specific purpose and agenda. Of course, has been said by many, it is not correct to isolate to particular reason, particular community. It is not. Therefore, I think our friends BPP has understood the beauty of the state. So therefore, the momentum the web have created in the last industry has really maybe keep them energized, ignited, and it is good only. But they're expanding their wings to the guardrails. Yes, of course, we know as a political party will be challenged for us, NPP also, that we know, because I've come to know many of the Congress leaders, TMC leaders is also in talks to join from Garo's side in the BPP. I heard so many leaders. So maybe, of course, if they really work well, will be really challenge for us too also, that we also understand. But we will decide tomorrow. Election is election, politics is politics. But yes, definitely it's a welcome. And with this exercise, the people perspective, people suspicion of certain colors will also go away. So good move. Earlier 2012, people used to say NCP is a Garo party. Do anybody say today? It is not. It is different how leaders work. Is it how leaders inspire the people? So and maybe BPP, they have to prove wrong of people thinking of different colors. Now I think it's a good move, Mali, but definitely going to the guardrails with all this momentum energized will be really challenge for us. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see tomorrow.